Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I've got two big Zulily boxes to show you guys, and I haven't been in front of the camera for a long time, so I'm actually pretty excited to do this today. And my fiance gave me a warning that I need to start opening these boxes because I've got like tons in the guest bathroom and they're just up against the wall. So he says I have to start opening them up because I'm gonna be turning into a hoarder, so I better do that because I've had these things quite a while and I think it is about time to start opening them. So two big ones. It's kind of light, but it's still wide, so maybe I'll start with this one first. And this one smells pretty nice, so oops, careful. It's got all the bubble wrap on top there. Yeah, I've got the little activity to do. Oh, I got a hanger. I know when I used to buy from Beyond the Rack, I used to get a hanger coming with the clothing, which I did like because then I don't have to buy hangers, but it's all broken, so it's not going to be any use to me. Okay, so this first thing I'm going to show you is a dress, and it's a nice tie-dye color, and the back of it is pretty. You just tie the back into a bow. Oh, and the front is really nice. It's got like crisscross style in the front, and it's a maxi style dress. So this will be really cute and summery. And it's by the brand Tea and Rose, Los Angeles. Then it says Orange Creek. And what size was this in? A size medium. So yeah, this one is a nice coral color, and it's lined inside with a nice white fabric. This is nice and long and flowy. I like this. I hope it fits nice. And then the next thing I've got is something I don't remember. I've had these things for so long. Oh, this. I just thought this was kind of cute. Another kind of coral color, and it's got like a little ruffle detailing on the sleeve, and it's a cold shoulder because it'll hang off of your arm a little bit. And then it's got like a band on the bottom. It's long sleeve. This is kind of nice. I like the color. And Sun and Moon is this brand. And this one is in a size medium as well. Made in the USA. 80% polyester, 20% cotton. So I always get medium because I know that's the size I wear. Sometimes a medium fits like a large because I mean different people are sewing. I hope I can get this to steam so it lies flat, because you see how it's all curled up. It's supposed to lie flat, so we'll see how that works. That's cute too. I love the color. Then this one, I don't remember what this is. Another cold shoulder top. And this is like in a kind of a coffee color, I would say. And it's got lace detailing on the hemline. So, this is by the brand Cara Lace. I thought this would be nice and casual. It needs some steaming. And this one is in a size medium, 95% rayon, 5% spandex. That's kind of nice too. And this is what I'm smelling in that bag. It's these wax warmers or wax melts. They smell gorgeous. It's called Keepers of the Light Papa's Pumpkin Pie Fragrance Melts. So that's, I got 3 of them, but I'm looking at the back. I don't like how they look. I don't know why they look like that. I hope I can, and they're not even sealed really nicely, so I'd have to cut them and take them out. I don't know. Smells really good though. I got 3 of them, 3 of the same kind. So yeah. I like wax melts, especially I use it most in the fall time, not so much summer. Got another, what is this, a top? I had these things so long I can't remember what's inside these things. I just love Zulily's clothing. I mean, when you get something that fits you good, it fits really nice, and you know, it's just amazing. Okay, this is another top by a la something Tazarina, a la Tazarina. Okay, so this one here, the front has like a keyhole style, and it's like a mocha color, I would say. And look at the detailing on the sleeve. It's gorgeous. Super cute. And it's nice and flowy. Just plain on the hem. Flared out. And that's the back of it. Pretty plain, but what really attracted me was the detailing on the sleeve. So cute. This is cute too, and I'm pretty sure it'll fit. So that was the first box. Really cute stuff in there. Wow. My fiance said you need to start opening these boxes, because what if you get something that's damaged, or like that time where I got that shirt, it didn't match the picture, and so, you know, if it's gone too long, then you can't phone them and say, well, look, I got this and it came broken, because you've had it such a long time, they might not want to refund you or whatever. So yeah, it's actually my fault too, because I'm so busy at home here and I just don't find the time anymore. I said, well, let me open 2 boxes today, and I've got lots more, still yet more coming. I've got some other blue envelope type ones, the ones they send, if it's just like clothing alone, they usually send that in an envelope type looking one. Okay, I don't even know what's in here, so I like to have a surprise. I see something that's wrapped, so who knows? A couple things are wrapped. See in the brown paper there? Maverick is just sniffing everything. His nose is in my box. Oh, what is this? This is shoes, I can tell, because it's in a box, like a shoe box. So come fancy and black. I don't even remember ordering these. Oh my god, I order so much stuff, it's crazy. These are cute though. I hope they fit. So these ones, I got this in a 7.5, and they're like a kind of a suede fabric, and I like the little buckle, the strap that comes across your foot here. It's a Velcro, and it's just got a little heel, but I don't like how this looks, because it looks kind of rough on the bottom, like somebody wore this. So I'm not too impressed with this. I mean, the style is cute and everything, but I don't like the way it looks. So I don't know if I really like this one, but it'll work. And I don't know what this is. Another coral. That is why you have to start opening them as soon as you get them, because you don't know if, you know, it looks presentable. Guys, I forgot that I ordered this dress. So, this is an off the shoulder dress, like this is gonna hang off your arms, and for some reason to me the fabric looked kind of different in the picture. I thought it was different, but it's a really long dress, and I hope it fits. There seems to be a lot of stretch in it, so it might work. But this is in a medium, I think. It's a very heavy dress. It's a lot of fabric. Okay, so 96% polyester, 4% spandex. It was made in the USA. So that's the style of it. And I hope it fits. Nice color though. I'm thinking it's in a size medium, I'm pretty sure. So I've got 3 things that are wrapped in here, and I don't remember what these are, so I've got these 2, and then this is wrapped. So the first one I've opened is a Christmas ornament, and it's supposed to hang on your tree, but I'll probably just put it on a table or something. Zulily do still bring Christmas stuff from time to time, even though the season is over. So I thought these were super cute, and they might look nice even in my Christmas village. Super nice, I love it. This one here is not wrapped in the brown paper, so might not be as difficult to get open. Well, this thing, I thought this was cute. I love this. It's like nice to put like in your kitchen if it's so cute. So the next one, I've got to stop my camera because I take too much time opening these up and it makes so much noise. I've got this. Sometimes they wrap really well, and then sometimes it's not wrapped and you get stuff that's broken. Like, remember that ornament I received one time? It came broken. This is wrapped really good. Okay, so it's like a little gift decor. You can put it on your tables, and I really like it. I think it's nice for Christmas time. Not very neat detailing because you can see some of the white paint on there, but I know I didn't pay too much. I think this was like $9.99 or something. So I'll probably wrap that up back again. So this one is the taller gift ornament to the little one I just showed you. And see, the paint is like kind of rough around the edges, but I think maybe it's supposed to look like that, like a kind of a distressed sort of detailing. So this is pretty heavy, and this is the smaller one. So I thought these would look really nice Christmas time. Maybe I can put it next to the fireplace or something, and yeah, pretty nice. I paid not too much for those ones, so I'm gonna wrap them up and put them, I have to put them downstairs with the other stuff. And I don't know what this is. Something black. I forgot I ordered another pair of these because I wanted a new one. These tights. Because I have one that has like the lace on the bottom, but it's kind of getting faded now because I've had it quite a while. I think I bought it in the mall sometime when we were living in Edmonton. So I was actually looking for more because I forgot I bought this one. You see why it pays to open these boxes, because sometimes you might go and order the same thing twice. So this looks like it'll fit really nice. There's a lot of stretch in there. And yeah, I like this. I need a new one, so this will come in handy. And also I'm looking to buy a different color, like a nice camel color, or a color like this. This color right here would be nice. So that was it, guys, my 2 big boxes. And now I've got to go try my clothes on. I'm so excited. I hope they all fit and they look nice. And I'm loving my little ornaments. I especially love this one here. It's so cute. Okay guys, well, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you another time. Bye guys.